Hello friends, we are in level 1 class 9 in Abacus. Here I am going to explain you the concept of big friends addition and subtraction, okay? First let me explain you in which situation we should use this formula. When we need to add or subtract any numbers using Abacus, if enough bits are not available, then we can take the help of either small friends or big friends, okay? Small friends are the numbers that adds up to the total of 5. For example, 1 plus 4 equal to 5. 2 plus 3 equal to 5, 3 plus 2 equal to 5, etc. So 5 is the boss of small friends, okay? Problems related to small friend concept have been seen already in previous sessions, right? Please check playlist link in description for those videos. Now I am going to give you the explanation of big friend formula, okay? Big friends are the numbers that adds up to the total of 10. For example, 1 plus 9 equal to 10, 2 plus 8 equal to 10, 3 plus 7 equal to 10, etc. So 10 is the boss of big friends, right? These are the comparison of small friend and big friends. One small friend is 4 since 1 plus 4 equal to 5. One's big friend is 9 since 1 plus 9 equal to 10. If one friend is in plus, friend of 1 should be in minus and boss will be in plus in addition part. This one is addition formula for big friends. One friend is in minus, friend of 1 should be in plus and boss will be in minus in subtraction part. Next, 2 small friend is 3 since 2 plus 3 equal to 5, while 2's big friend is 8 since 2 plus 8 equal to 10. Okay. Next, 3 small friend is 2 since 3 plus 2 equal to 5, while 3's big friend is 7 since 3 plus 7 equal to 10. Okay. Next, 4 small friend is 1 since 4 plus 1 equal to 5, while 4's big friend is 6 since 4 plus 6 equal to 10. Okay. So 4 numbers are having both small friend and big friends. Okay. Certain numbers only having big friends. For example, 5's big friend is 5 since 5 plus 5 equal to 10. So it is not included in small friend, okay? 6 big friend is 4 since 6 plus 4 equal to 10. Next, we'll move to 7. 7 big friend is 3 since 7 plus 3 equal to 10. One friend is in plus. Friend of 7 should be in minus and boss will be in plus in addition part. This one is for subtracting 7. Boss will be in minus in subtraction part, okay? Next, 8 big friend is 2 since 8 plus 2 equal to 10. One friend is in plus. Friend of 8 should be in minus and boss will be in plus in addition part. Next, if we need to do minus 8, friend of 8 should be in plus and boss will be in minus in subtraction part. When we need to add 9, friend of 9 should be in minus and boss will be in plus in addition part. And for subtracting 9, friend of 9 should be in plus and boss will be in minus in subtraction. These are all the concept of big friends addition and subtraction, okay? Now let me explain you which formula we should check initially, okay? If we need to add or subtract the numbers either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, when enough bits are not available, we should check whether is it possible to apply small friend. If it is not possible to apply small friend, then we can take the help of big friends, okay? These conditions are only for adding or subtracting up to 4. Next, for adding or subtracting 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9, when enough bits are not available to add, then directly we can take the help of big friends. You will be very clear while solving the problem, which I will explain you from next video, okay? If you like this video, please do subscribe this channel and click on bell icon to get regular updates from us, okay? Thank you friends.